Let's make this yummy noodle with full with flavor and protein. Amazing and delicious. You just need your greenery and just get ready with me. Let's make this delicious food with jumbo rice. And this food actually is something I create, but this food is in fire by normal noodle we make in daily life. But this is more like traditional, like South Sudanese way. But I put in touch my own touch inside, and I can say basically I create this one in a Dinka version. So you're watching this channel for the first time. You know this channel we make South Sudanese dish and we make a Western dish sometime according to how the food are. And I make only I focus on making family dishes, because what I make here is what I eat actually. So this is the real thing, and we are making this one. So you love food, just join me while I make this one along, and let's just make this dish together. You'll start by chopping your onion, and when you're done chopping it, just fry them to golden brown. In the meantime, cut your vegetable on the other side and make sure to just get them ready. Slide them to your favorite. You don't have to be cutting them small or big. You can just cut them way you like. But for me, I choose to cut them a bit small because I will put them later on. You can use a yellow and you can use a green you may have, but I have like two, like a orange one and a red one, and you can see some carrot. But I'm gonna use some green herb and the rest of the stuff, and green onion, small one, fresh spring onion actually. So this dish actually yesterday I wake up and I say, oh my, last week I haven't forced because guys, life happened and I'm quite busy. So I'm trying to manage my work and my school too. I study online doing makeup course, and at the same time I study tutoring class. Like you are in Canada or anywhere, you may know this. I take English classes and I do makeup Austria, like makeup artist. I'm on my way to become a professional makeup artist. So life happened and I have got 3 kids. I'm a very busy mom, but I try my best to create content because I love cooking and I love sharing with you guys. You guys, that what happened, and I wish to share more recipe with you. You like it? Just give me a comment and let me know what was your favorite part on this. Will you try it? And at the same time, don't forget to join this channel so we can make delicious, amazing flavor together. And subscribe and like, share, so other people can see it too. Yeah, so far this is the dish we created. It was my son's idea. Mom, can we make something like full with flavor and for full of protein and healthy at the same time? So I decided to come up with one pan dish like this one, what I'm making, and I decided to go along like making it in one pot instead of putting a bunch of pot on the stove. I decided to just go with just one pot and should accommodate all the spices and the ingredient and the food together to give the food that special flavor and to enjoy actually. And this one I was like, I did have a bit of time, so I was doing it actually. So because most of the time I'm in the rush to go to work because normally I will be late or maybe doing my assignment. So like we went ahead and decided to do this. I did bought my ingredient night. Yeah, I went shopping the day after, but actually I have this ingredient, some of this ingredient in the fridge, and I didn't know what to do with them. And that when my son come up with this idea, and I went ahead with this idea to make this dish. Like I did make example like this one about a year ago, but it was a different total one. So it's in the channel, but is it instant noodle and doesn't have meat inside. We just create it, just simply. I will link it later on the video here, so you can go ahead and watch. You want to cook instant noodle in a Sudanese way, or maybe in African way, or maybe in a traditional way. Like you want to do that, and it's easy to. It's not that much to do. Just you cut your onion, you fry them, then you went ahead and you blend it onion, and then you go ahead and put your tomatoes, then put your instant noodle, cook it, and then it's ready. As long you can make it just like that, and it's simple. All the dishes I make in this channel are family friendly and step by step. Especially they're like from the conception to the end. I create these dishes like I don't even like edit a lot or maybe cut a lot because it's basically just straightforward dishes for everyone who like you live away from your parent, or maybe you want to learn something new from different country. Maybe you love different dishes from different countries, part of the world. You will like this video and you will love this channel a lot. If you feel generous, just share it to your friend. And so far, like I noticed, like I have been losing subscribers lately, and my channel, like my video, I feel like they're stuck there. But what can I do? Just life, you know. Algorithm work differently, and we work differently. No matter how good is it in your eye, in my eyes, algorithm does not see like that. I had to see with the professional making all this stuff. And I'm not there yet. I'm trying to learn more stuff, and I've been doing it for past year now, and I learn a lot. I can say I learn a lot. I came a long way. First, I didn't even know how to poem, but now I do. I didn't even know how to edit, but now I do. I didn't even know like how to make a voice over properly, but now I can say I do it a little bit with much confidence, unlike before. I didn't even know when to place what and which one to come first when I was editing, but now I do. And I didn't even know how to make a thumbnail, but now I do. So I learned so much. I learned so much in the past year, and I want to learn more too. So in this one, when your onion are ready, and you put your tomatoes in it, you're gonna bring your ground meat. You can go with a half a pound, or maybe you can go with a pound too. It's fine. For me, like this was like more than a pound actually. I will say that it was so like my daughter was crawling there. Sometimes she just love to crawl. She like it. And like you can just put your salt. I like you can buy like a ground beef like 1 kg ground, and then you can split it in half, cook one, and then leave one, or maybe you can go with a half one. But it's depends with your preference what you like. But for me, basically, I love making a big dish so we can enjoy it all day and evening. So I don't have to go back to the kitchen and make some more, because when I cook, it's cooking. Because we do eat a lot at home. We do order out sometimes when we feel like want to eat something outside made by someone else. But I love cooking. That's what I do when I don't have anything to do. Mostly even when I'm stressed, I like cooking. Even when I'm happy, I love to cook. I love to cook for the people I love, especially my children. I love to cook for them so much. That would make me happy. And my dog was like crawling on the other side too. And so good and amazing. So this video so far is good, and this is what I've been making all day long. Is like just done like this because I just have to come back with this video so that we can just talk a little bit, because I was off for a week. And it's okay, you know, even when you're off for a week, you don't have to feel bad. Life happened, and we all know, you know, you can still come back again and make another video. Never did, like, it depends. So we can reach to 3,000 subscribers. Yeah, we can reach there by this month. Will be really good. But just it depends with the algorithm how much people is push, and just like that. You leave it like that to cook. When you are done, just make sure to be close by, because it can be like burning. You're not paying attention to it, because like the noodle will drain the water out of the beef. So you just have to be there, and just have to make sure like you're a little there to just accommodate with anything. Like it's low in that one, you have beef raw, you can grab and put it in there. Maybe you don't have one, you can add water. Now I'm adding the vegetable to make it colorful, because I want it more colorful and more delicious and more healthy too, because this food is packed with